I usually find useful gadgets so you could buy them, but today's set is different. These are the devices that are illegal to own or buy. Let me know which one is forbidden in your country in the comments below. Number 13. Pocket Chip. Here's a compact computer that some tech enthusiasts once dubbed the Raspberry Pi killer. Back in 2019, Raspberry Pi sales had already surpassed 30 million units, and it's still uncertain whether the Pocket Chip will ever match that milestone. Priced between $50 and $60, it packs 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of storage, a 1 gigahertz processor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB port, and even an AV output to hook it up to a TV. It runs on Linux, is completely portable, and comes with a built-in battery, keyboard, and screen. But the best part, you can grab the board alone for just $9 and customize it to your heart's content. Number 12. DSTIKE Dior the Watch. This quirky wrist gadget looks like it was lifted from a Hollywood bomb squad. Tiny, dramatic, and oddly irresistible. Beneath the movie prop exterior, it behaves like a full smartwatch with custom firmware, mini games, and downloadable extras. But its standout trick is a set of network security tools. From the watch, you can scan nearby Wi-Fi hotspots and run simulations that reveal how well those networks resist common attacks, including forced disconnections and spoofed access point scenarios. You can even control many of its features remotely from a computer without ever taking it off your wrist. All of this comes in a compact, hacker-chic package for about $50. Number 11. Flipper Zero. Dubbed the Swiss Army knife for geeks, this gadget looks like a playful handheld console, but don't be fooled, it's anything but a toy. With it, you can command smart home systems, open gates and barriers from up to 164 feet away, register, store, and even emulate touch memory keys. It also works flawlessly with EM4100 and HID prox keycards, and can even control your TV or air conditioner like a tech wizard. And that's not all. Flipper Zero is built for everyday adventures, supports micro SD cards up to 64 gigabytes, and runs for a full week on a single charge. All this power starts at just $119. Number 10. Electromagnet with remote control. Remember the French taxi films where the hero ducked past the cops by concealing his plate? Real-life gadgets take that idea seriously. This one is a magnetic contraption designed to obscure portions of a license plate. Manufacturers boast that covering just 2 characters does the trick. Creators get inventive. Thin metal sheets that sit behind the plate frame, magnets slim enough to tuck into the gap, and even versions operated by a remote. Shoppers note the stealthy fit and ease of use. Reported price about $33. Number 9. Destrict USB device. Here's an interesting fact. By the end of 2025, the global laptop market had surpassed 268 million units. That's a lot of data being stored and deleted. Enter this clever gadget, a flash drive specially designed to instantly and securely erase all data from your hard drive. The makers claim it delivers military-grade data, wiping with simple plug-and-play ease. It's perfect for situations like selling your laptop or giving it away when you want your private files gone for good. A short 2-minute video tutorial explains how it works, and it's compatible with most PCs and laptops made after the year 2000. All that convenience comes at a fair price, just $47. Number 8. Swin High Power Blue Pointer. This laser pointer feels like something straight out of a Jedi vs. Sith showdown, only this time it's real and seriously powerful. It can burn through a folded yoga mat or even a shirt, so it's definitely not a toy. Handle it with care. According to the seller, it's made for hunting, hiking, and stage lighting, with an impressive range of 5 to 6 miles. In an emergency, it can even serve as a distress signal. You can adjust the beam's thickness and switch between different modes for various uses. Just remember, always wear protective goggles and keep it far from children's reach. Number 7. Multi-pick Chronos. Misplaced your keys and the door's giving you attitude. When the lock jams and panic creeps in, a little patience, practice, and the right gadget can save the day, or so the maker promises. Meet their top-selling electric lockpick, powered by a 2,900 mAh battery that delivers roughly 2 hours of continuous use. It's feather light at about 12.3 ounces and slips into your pocket without fuss. Extra needles come in the kit so you can hone your technique, because the company says this is a pro-grade tool whose true skill shows with training. We don't count cracking plastic-made Chinese locks as real lockpicking, they add with a wink. Price, $270. Number 6. Y-phone. What looks like a trusty old button phone is actually a gadget for fans of privacy, tinkering, and freedom. Compact and featherweight at just 3 ounces, it hides some neat surprises. First, you can call without a SIM, grab an SIP account, join any Wi-Fi, and talk away. Second, a flexible daughter board lets you expand it into things like a mini music studio or even the brain of an RC car. Battery life stretches to about 8 hours of talk time, and every button is programmable, starts at $90. Number 5. License plate concealer. These units feel straight out of the movies. They let you drape the digits with a flap or swap one plate for another. They're simple to fit, often just 15 minutes, and not terribly costly. On some sites, you can find them for about $50. A neat gadget until the police spot it, quips one app reviewer. Number 4. GSM Jammer. Our compilation turns to a gadget that shows up in places from concert halls to classrooms. Commonly called a jammer, it emits wideband white noise, a signal carrying no usable information. Different models can interfere with GPS, GSM, 3G, and Wi-Fi signals. Some vendors even market DIY-friendly kits, while ready-made civilian units are sold commercially. A quick look on a few Chinese marketplaces shows similar devices listed for around $30. Number 3. Midzu Spy Glasses. Our lineup wouldn't be complete without a touch of secret agent tech, right? Hidden cameras are shrinking and getting cheaper every year. These sleek spy glasses go for about $40 and even come with a 16GB memory card, enough to record up to 10 hours of video. Inside, there's a system capable of shooting in crisp 1920 by 1080, resolution at 30 frames per second. The glasses record in AVI format and automatically split videos into 10-minute clips. Weighing just 1.2 ounces, they can film for around 50 minutes on a single charge. Compatible with both Windows and Linux, the manufacturer claims they can double as a discrete dashcam or even a handy baby monitor. Number 2. Lawmate CM-TC10. Looking for something even more discreet? Meet this clever little camera disguised as a tie clip. It records video at 640 by 480 pixels with a 60-degree viewing angle. Perfect for close-up surveillance without raising any eyebrows. Built for real-world conditions, it can handle anything from freezing -4 degrees Fahrenheit to scorching 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and even 90% humidity. Its sleek, neutral design makes it ideal for both men and women. You can use it wirelessly or pair it with a portable dashcam for extra flexibility. The company even offers several versions on their website. The only catch, it's pricier than the spy glasses, around $200. Number 1. RFID NFC scanner. Ever wonder how quickly card thieves can move? In the US, 2 crooks once pulled it off in mere seconds. One distracted the shopkeeper while the other slipped a skimmer onto the payment terminal. That single move let them capture info used to clone cards. Key cards, like those for factories and large offices, are also prime targets. This gadget can read their data from up to 3.3 feet away, depending on the card. There are endless ways to capture data. Imagination is the only limit, one review warns. Luckily, it won't work on bank cards, which helps keep the price down at about $100. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful gadget reviews.